Hi to all. Today we are going to make pad thai sauce in Hamare style. For that we need to take onion, red chilies and some garlic cloves, palm sugar. We have crushed red chilies, onion, garlics into coarse paste separately. Take a pan and put some oil. Once the oil get heated, add onions and crushed garlic. Mix it well. Add coarse chili powder. Mix it well. Add 2 cups of water to make some gravy. Mix it nicely. Now add 3 to 4 spoons of tamarind sauce. Mix it nicely. Then add soya sauce 3 to 4 spoons. Then add palm sugar. Here I took 2 to 3 spoons of palm sugar. Let it boil nicely. Once it is boiled completely, you can see our pad thai sauce is ready. Take it in a bowl. This sauce is made in pad thai noodles. So recipe is posted in our channel. Please go through it, and we can also have this with all Chinese dishes. Thank you.